Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best value electric bike. So let's get started. Number 7. Ebike 7 Plus Folding Electric Bike. Hop on this bright orange bike and enjoy cruising at speeds of up to 18.6 miles per hour. It comes with 7-gear speeds for easy and smooth shifting. You can use the motor for pedal assist or pure throttle-only power. It has a range of 19 miles on pure throttle power, a top speed of 18.6 miles per hour, and can handle inclines up to 15 degrees. The battery fully charges in 3 to 4 hours, and you can swap them out for uninterrupted riding. The wheels are a rugged design and measure 16 inches. For stopping power, there are dual-disc brakes. Unfortunately, you may find this bicycle difficult to fold down as it can be unbalanced with moving parts during the process. It's also awkward to carry, and this is made worse by being 40 pounds. Number 6. Euromini Folding Bicycle. Choose from matte black, white, or yellow for this European-style bicycle frame. You'll find this bike is easily portable with its lightweight aluminum frame. The wheels are 20 inches, and the bike weighs 28.5 pounds. There are 7-gear speeds and a grip-style shifter for easy control. The stopping power is strong thanks to the alloy brakes. You'll find the saddle to be wide and comfortable with a magnet catcher to help hold the frame securely folded. What makes this bike stand out is the use of high-quality Shimano components. When folded down, the bike measures 27 x 31 x 12 inches. Number 5. ANCHEER Electric Folding Bike. Feel like you're riding a traditional bike when you're on this electric folding version. The wheels are oversized at 26 inches, and the frame is made of aluminum. Choose from white, gold, and black for the color of your frame. It has mechanical front and rear brakes. There are 21 gears for a professional quality gearing system. The 250-watt scale motor can help you reach a top speed of 15 to 17 miles per hour and a range of 15 to 30 miles. You'll appreciate that the bike arrives 85% assembled with minimal work for you. Riding on this bike is smooth and comfortable thanks to the premium front and rear suspension. Unfortunately, the handlebars aren't adjustable, and the battery indicator light isn't totally accurate. When there are 2 out of 5 bars left, you are about to experience a dead battery. Number 4. Swagtron Swagcycle Folding a Bike. Choose from black, blue, or white for the frame of this bicycle. You also have the option of choosing a standard or removable battery. The frame is made of aluminum with 14-inch wheels. You'll appreciate that it comes pre-assembled and ready for riding. The bike has a 15.5-mile range when toggling between independent pedaling and assisted pedaling. Riders that weigh up to 264 pounds can safely ride this bike. The battery needs 4 to 5 hours to charge completely. When folded 3 times, it's compact enough to fit in a trunk or under a desk. One downside of this bike is that it weighs 40 pounds, which can be too heavy for some people to carry. This makes it less portable. The recharge time is also long for this battery. Number 3. Rattan Electric Bike. The high-speed brushless motor powering this bicycle is a 48-volt and 750-watt geared motor. It'll achieve an impressive 28 miles per hour for a top speed. This will give you a range of 40 miles under full electric mode and 60 to 80 miles in assist mode. What makes this motor and battery system stand out is the high-efficiency design that gives you 50% more power. It also comes with several nice features, including front and rear fenders, headlight, tail lights, and a rear rack. The fat tires make it easy to ride this bike on any terrain and in all weather types. One drawback of this bike is that it doesn't handle hills well, so you'll need to pedal harder to accommodate. It also lacks the same level of suspension that other bikes on this list have. Number 2. Swagtron Swagcycle EB. Swagtron's Swagcycle EB5 folding a bike offers everything you could want from an electric bike with the added bonus of it being easily portable. Swagtron is a brand known for making some of the best-selling electric scooters and hoverboards online. With the Swagcycle EB5, they're applying their expertise to the world of electric bicycles with great effect. It's an incredibly easy bike to own, from its lightweight frame to its neutral balance, making it simple to carry up a flight of stairs. It's a great starter bike for someone branching into the electric bike world who wants something easy to maneuver and equally as easy to ride. The geometry of this bike means virtually anyone between 4 feet 10 in and 6 feet 7 in can ride it comfortably. It's lightweight but durable, combining a smooth and stable journey with a clever design. Number 1. ANCHEER 20. With an aluminium frame and a removable battery, the ANCHEER 20 is the perfect e-bike for those who don't want to lug a heavy bicycle around. The ANCHEER 20 weighs just about 50 pounds, but this drops even further when the battery is removed. ANCHEER is known for being a popular brand online and offers a stylish bike with plenty of impressive features. It boasts electrical assist up to 17 miles per hour and a 7-speed transmission gearbox for an almost maintenance-free drive system. When the battery and motor are removed easily by dropping out of the down tube, the bike can be ridden as a standard model. It's an excellent option for those who want a versatile bike both with and without power.